Hello again, this is Teacher Feli, and today I am going to show you how to teach letter I to very young ESL learners. If you like what I am doing, click the subscribe button below and like my video. Thank you. Okay, children, let's review our lesson last time. I will show you the letter and you will tell me what the letter is. Okay, what letter is this? Very good. That's correct. This is letter A. Again, A. What about this? What letter is this? Very good. This is letter E. Again, this is letter E. Again, E. What's the sound of letter A? Very good. The sound of A is A. Again, A. Again, A, 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 A. That's the sound of letter A. What's the sound of letter E? Very good. The sound of letter E is E. Again, E. Again, E, 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 E. That's the sound of letter E. Let's say the sound of A and E again. A, E. Again. A, E. Very good. Today, children, we have a new lesson, and our new lesson is letter I. What letter is this? I. Again, I. Again, I. And the sound of I is I. Again, I. Again, and the sound of I, I. Okay, let's sing the sound of I. I, 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 I. Okay, that's the sound of I. Okay, children, let us now trace letter I following the arrows. One line going down, one line going to the right, another line going to the right. Again, 1, 2, 3. That's letter I. Let us name some objects that begin with letter I. What's the sound of I again, children? I. Very good. Again, I. Again, I, 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 I. I is for igloo. Again, igloo. Again, I, igloo. I is for Indian. Again, Indian. I, Indian. Again, I, Indian. I is for ill. Again, I is for ill. I, ill. I is for insects. Again, I is for insects. I, insects. I is for iguana. Again, I is for iguana. I, iguana. I is for inject. Again, I is for inject. I, inject. I is for insecticide. Again, I is for insecticide. I, insecticide. I is for in. Again, I is for in. I, in. I is for infant. Again, I is for infant. I, infant. I is for ink. Again, I is for ink. I, ink. Again, I, ink. Again, I, ink. For indigo. I, indigo. Okay, children, all of these things begin with letter I. And what's the sound of I again? I, 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 I. Okay, that ends our lesson today, and I'll see you again next time. Thank you. Thank you for dropping by. Please click the like button below and subscribe for more videos to come. Thank you.